Call Dixon Towing when you need a tow. Call Dixon Towing if you're stuck on the road. Call Dixon Towing if you get locked out. Call Dixon Towing, we will winch you out. We are on the way, we are on the way, we are on the way. So call us now, we are on the way.
Damn, that's a little hot. Put one out there.
There one.
Got a hole right here. On the outside, run it back through.
That's as fast as that one go?
No, it goes faster than you. Look, the tip must be messed up. Now I'm going on the outside and run it back in.
The lock gate, swing gates, the rest of them. We almost ready. Now I feel kind of better. I got all the goddamn trash up.
Yeah.
I don't mind the company out here. Them niggas too nasty for me. It's like they just eat. They just throw their shit wherever they left it, where they ate it at.
Yes, ma'am. It's great. Kill.
Hello?
Boss man, you gotta pay with the credit card?
Yeah, is it done? Is it done?
He's gonna get a couple parts that he got to finish up. He's gonna finish up. Because he said he didn't get the parts, so. That's what I'm trying to figure out what he wants. I'm literally right by his shop right now.
Yeah, but we ain't paying until he done. Yeah.
All right, this thing that ETA is 31 minutes.
Yeah, no, you can't. I ain't paying you for you done with my trailer.
Okay. I don't think she gave them a time because we just told them they was holding it until the other drivers got through.
So forth.
So your ground go on one side and your positive on the other?
Yes, it is. See how this color here?
Mm-hmm.
See how bright that one is?
It's gonna be hot, neutral hot.
Yeah. So that's gonna be the white wire. I always put my white wire to this light color. This black wire to the dark color.
And then where the naked wire go?
That's the ground. It's gonna go to the green.
I'm gonna open up this window. There's some shit. Hey Siri, call Adrian. Call Twin speakerphone.
Calling Twin on speaker.
Hey, you remember we was looking for them keys to this door? Door out here in Crandall.
Yeah.
Them hoes was in the window. I opened the window and they were sitting in the slot.
That's crazy.
Ain't that some shit? Alright, how many you done got?
Headed to number 2 now. They keep pulling me from, they sent me to Cedar Hill. I sat out there for like 20 minutes and I started heading back, man. I'm headed to Northwest Highway. The motherfucker sent me right back to where I came from. Like, this shit crazy.
Yeah, I'm finna tell you, but they gotta be on their shit. You know, tell you what area to be in.
You know me, I tried to start in Irving and then work my way out. But shit, the first call was Cedar Hill from Irving. So
Yeah, well shit.
so what,
Soon as this goddamn Majero get back started, you know, everything in Dallas, right here by the shop.
Right.
Everything gonna start out by the shop and work your way out.
So this shit out here, is this a part of the zip codes you added, or is this some
No, that's honk.
other shit?
That's honk.
Okay.
So honk is wherever. That shit go everywhere.
Shit, I ain't doing no tripping.
So you know,
Outside, man.
I noticed a Jero only send me shit in the middle of the night, bro. I swear to God. I swear to God. I got my first one at 8 o'clock last night. As soon as I got done with that hoe, man, I was sat in that traffic where they were doing their construction, dropped that hoe off at that Amazon. And shit, by the time I made it back to the yard, it was like 12 something. They sent me another one, way the fucking Dennis. But when I talked to her yesterday, they won't let me drop my shit because when you drop your shit, you get more call volume automatically. So they want you at 80% before they even drop your calls, because when you drop, you're gonna get more calls. So we ain't going to tier 1, but we're gonna go down to tier 2 in network. At least that motherfucker is paying $50 starting out. But by the time you add the en-route miles and all that shit, it'll make up about 70, 80 bucks, 90, depending on how far it is. But I know this insurance shit, boy, this shit crazy. I went and picked them folks up downtown Dallas. She said, "Are you getting any part of that $400 they just charged us?" Man, hell no, they only giving me goddamn. Well, it was a Jero, so they was paying me by the mile, but still, bro, y'all charged them for $400. I said, shit, nah, I think I'll be feeling bad for telling the motherfucker $200. Shit. No, I'm gonna start calling around, asking different companies, "Hey man, how much would you tow this car for?" And I'm gonna create a price list based off of vehicles. Man, we out here working, man. My boy out here wiring this shit up. But I got this GoPro rolling, so I ain't gonna record too much because we in one little spot and ain't moving much. But I'm gonna get everything whenever we're done. So as y'all can see, we have one plug installed. Got it running up, coming back down over there. Going through the wall. Going to that plug. Going through the wall. Then we're going to put it on the breaker box over there. So I'm only going to sheetrock the wall. I'm not going to sheetrock the ceiling. And I'm not going to sheetrock this because I want other things to come over here. I might sheetrock this. I might. It's just one piece. Throw it up there and be done with it. 4x8, call it a day. But right now, we are wiring up this one, taking it through the ceiling. If it'll go. Taking it up through the ceiling, across, and then we got one over there. But I'll keep y'all posted.